We're entering a school zone. What does this mean? There are a lot of kids. It's heavily patrolled by law enforcement. We have parents who are late to a downtown Detroit, downtown Houston, Texas, downtown Los Angeles, California. Kids will run out in front of you because they think they're invincible. It's called the kryptonite quotient. So you want to be mindful as a beginner driver or an advanced driver. You can see the school zone pavement marking. We are on a one-way. If you didn't notice, traffic is going in the same direction. I am in this truck's blind spot, so I want to keep moving. A blue sign means hospital. It's a guide sign. And then you have other warning signs. That truck is in a hurry, so I'm going to stay away from them. And you can see cars and drivers who are in a hurry. They're moving faster than everyone else, creating a dangerous situation. And what I mean by dangerous situation, they're going to run lights. They're going to cut off cars. They're going to make erratic lane changes. See what they're doing? See how fast that truck moved? And it could flip over because it is top heavy. So I'm trying to keep my space, not stare at them, but see what they're doing. This is a 4-lane, so we have 2 middle lanes. That is what I suggest for a beginner. This is a master class where I take you through as a driving instructor. I'll walk you through the whole process. So I want to keep my space because traffic is slowing down. And that white truck, they've changed lanes 4 times, if you haven't noticed. And they will end up causing an accident because they're in such a hurry. We also have this electric vehicle to the right. So we want to be aware. And the speed limit has been 35 all the way through. So that's their 5th lane change. Why am I showing you this? Because you need to know this, because you're going to be in danger trying to drive, doing the right thing, and this truck is just simply changing multiple lanes. So we want to stay away from them because they can end up causing a huge accident. And I'm staying smooth. Am I following distance 1001, 1002? I'm about 3 seconds away because you pick a stationary object and you start counting. And then once you pass that object, it's about a car length for every 10 miles an hour. I'm off the gas. I'm squeezing my brake.